Hi everyone, I am back filming a BoxyCharm unboxing try on. I have my base makeup on right now, my eyebrows. I primed my lids already because there is an eyeshadow palette in this box this month. I don't know what it is because I haven't looked in it yet. I do have foundation on my lips, but that's okay. Looks great. So I'm gonna unbox it and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it, and we're gonna try the stuff on for the first time. I have no idea what's in here. I just barely opened the seal, so we shall see. All right. So this is what you see when you look in it. Ooh. I don't have any color pop palettes yet, so this is it. It's exciting to get either one. There was like 5 variations or 6 variations this month, I believe. Okay. Let me pull out the card for you guys. So the card is different this month. It's like a flip thing. Usually it's just a regular card. And the theme this month is eye candy. And it shows how much everything is, what I got, everything. And then there's some coupons on the back. It's cool. So I'm gonna show you what I got. I've got 2 brushes. I don't know if you can see it, it's bright. I'm trying to figure out where they're from. Hold on. I can't read the writing. SL Miss Glam Brush Duo, which retails for $38.50. And they have little rhinestones on them. So that's cute. They're pretty. This is a nice blending brush. And this one you could use for just packing on shadow or doing it in the crease. It's pretty cute. I'm excited. I need brushes. Always need brushes. And this is the Brow Gal. It's like I don't even know what it is. Tinted brow gel with microfibers. Light hair. I don't have light hair, dark hair, so I will be giving this away probably because I'm not going to use it. But I don't really like this type of product anyway. I use a pomade for my brows. It's just something that's easier for me to use. This one I feel like would be a little messy. We have the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner Pore Purifying Mask. I know this retails for a decent amount because Dr. Brandt is expensive. That's $47 and the Brow Gal is $22. I forgot to say that. That's that. I'm definitely going to try this out because I like trying new skincare. I have kind of big pores. You probably can't tell because I'm wearing makeup today. And then we have Lip Tensity Lipstick by MAC. I don't know what color this is. This retails for $21. So this retails for the box, which is crazy. I'm opening the lipstick for you guys. Can't get the lipstick out. There it goes. This is the one I got. Ooh, I don't know what color it is. Let's see. I don't know how to pronounce that. Dionysus? No, it's a weird name. I don't know. Let's watch it. So it's like a dark. I don't know how this is gonna look on me. Oh, okay. It doesn't look as. So it's not as dark. It's like a. It was a weird place to swatch. It's like a chocolatey, like maroony. Yeah, I don't know. It's like a nude. Nude. It's definitely not nude. It's definitely like a dark maroon, but it's got like a chocolatey undertone to it, I feel like. I'll see how it looks, so I'm gonna put it on. All right. Let's see what the palette looks like. Just try wiping that swatch off, and I got it everywhere. Oh, I can't get the palette all bad. There it goes. So I got the Element of Surprise by ColourPop. I don't know what the inside looks like. Ooh, it's really pretty. Oh, I like this one. It's got like a really nice pink in it. It's got some maroons, some browns. I think this is a really pretty palette. It'd be good for just like everyday wear. And then you have like, you also have some colors that are like, you could really like use for a night out. I think it's pretty. I'm excited to try this. Ah, there's like, I don't know, falling apart. There's like a hair in it or something. That's not good. All right, so my lids are primed. I'm gonna try to get you guys a little closer, maybe. I don't know, you guys are already kind of close, but so you can see what I'm doing a little more. Can you see? I'm gonna try out the brushes for sure. They are really cute. I don't know what I'm gonna do today. I don't know what I'm gonna go for. So my lids are primed with Urban Decay Primer Potion and Eden, and then I put a setting powder on top because I feel like it works best for me. It's Coty Airspun I use just to set it because it makes my eyeshadow slide on a little better. So I'm looking at this to try to figure out a cute look I can do today. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this shade in my for my transition shade. So that's gonna go right in my crease. And I have ooh, so it's got a little kickback. I don't know if you can see it. A little kickback. I have hooded eyelids, so oh my gosh. So I'm just going to pop it in my crease and I'm going to kind of bring it up a little bit. But I'm going to need my mirror, and I'm going to try to use my mirror and be able to have you guys see what I'm doing at the same time. I don't know if you guys can even see what I'm doing on here. I mean, it's definitely got pigment. It's a nice, like, neutral color, which is what I wanted for my crease. Well, my transition shade, I should say. It's blending out really nicely. Yeah, you can see the difference. I mean, it blended. Hello, focus, girl. Okay. You see that? I'm gonna do the other one. So I'm gonna deepen up my crease with this shade down here. I really want to use that pink, but we might. I'm gonna try to go in with this brush. No, I typically wouldn't, but we're gonna see. And then I'm gonna blend it out with the other brush. So Yeah. Taking the shade in the corner here, this maroony color. I mean, there's a little, it's not too bad for the kickback. Back. So, I'm gonna pop that in my lower crease just to deepen it up a little bit. And I'm gonna go in with that blending brush that I used right here, and I'm gonna blend that out. It's a very pretty color. It's almost more, it's translating on me a little more pinky than the maroon in the pan, I feel like. So it's a little misleading, but it's still cute. Maybe I can use that pink now because it's kind of pink. It's not bad. It ain't bad. All right. I'm like reaching behind me to find the brush because I don't have my vanity or anything set up here yet. So it's like the struggle. See, it does look a little, like, I don't know, a lot more pink, I guess I should say. That color is that, maybe. So, I don't know. Next I'm going to take this. It's like a more deeper purpley maroon shade, and I'm gonna do that on my outer V. I'm gonna get a different brush though, because brushes I got aren't gonna work. They just aren't. This is a brush I got in my last boxy charm, I think. I think it's a vintage. It's like an angled. I'm just gonna pop that color right here in my outer V. Get some of it on the brush. I'm just gonna kind of do this. Don't mind the faces I make. Everyone makes those faces. It's the way it is. Alright. I mean, it looks decent. So, and then I'm gonna just gonna brush off my blending brush that I used. Get some of that color off, and then I'm just gonna blend it in here. They all kind of look like the same shade, honestly. I don't know. I'm not like super impressed by this palette, and I'm kind of disappointed. I really wanted to love Color Pop, and I'm just like, with all the other stuff that I have, it's just it's not amazing. It's like, I feel like when you try to blend it, it like disappears almost. I don't know. So I'm just gonna grab some of my Tarte Shape Tape concealer in light sand. I'm gonna put it on the back of my hand like so with my smear of lipstick. And I'm going to take, if I can find my brush, it's actually one of my old Unique brushes, but I used it. It's got like caked on concealer, you know. Gotta keep it hygienic, guys. And I'm just gonna use that because it's a flat brush and I like it. And I'm gonna put that, I'm gonna try not to get my shirt in my concealer. So I'm gonna put that on my lid. I'm gonna try to do it so you guys can see what I'm doing without me messing up at the same time. So let's try to do this. Sorry, I'm not talking. I'm trying to like I said, I am not a professional. So this girl needs to focus or I will mess up. Okay, and it looks scary now, but I'm gonna blend the edges, okay? That's what that one looks like. I have to do the next one. The struggle is real. I don't want to do it. I love how this keeps going out of focus. Like, hello? I mean, this one's better always. It's just the way that my eyes work, unfortunately. Okay. Trying to lighten up that edge right there. It's got a little bit more concealer than I wanted. Then we're gonna take my blending brush, this one that I've been using throughout the whole thing. And I'm going to blend those edges a little bit. Just a little bit. I'm going to do the same on the other side. And on this side, I'm just going to go right here too because my edges over there are just a little more not snatched on that side. So, just blend that out a little bit and then we'll go back in and do it again. Now I'm going to take flat brush, a tiny flat brush, to apply my shimmery shade on my lid so it sticks. I'm not using any setting spray or anything. I'm just going to take it and put it on my dry brush. I'm taking that shade that I showed you guys earlier, this one that's like a pretty purple shimmery holographic shade. Hopefully this ties together okay, because I don't know. Just applying that. Sorry, I'm kind of, can't really see what I'm doing, can you? So this shadow I think is decent. It's pretty, it's light, it's like almost, it's very light. I don't know if it would be different if I were to wet my brush because sometimes it makes it look better. I just prefer not to. I already have concealer down, so it's kind of a wet, stickier base. So that already brings the color out, and I didn't want to have it look funky. I'm blending the edges with the shimmer shade right here, and then I'll go back through if I need to. Usually don't, probably should, but I'm not a professional. Okay, so that's what that looks like. I don't know if y'all can see it. Can you see it? Maybe. It sounds like it's sleeting out again. Where is spring? Seriously. It's not funny. I want to go swimming. Makeup, it's just not my go-to. I'm not loving this look. I'm not hating it. It's just not, I don't know, you guys. So I'm gonna go in with what color was it? I don't know, whatever this one is. That one. I'm gonna go in with that on my lower lash line, and I think I might add some pink to it a little bit. I will be right back, and you guys will see all that finished. You guys, I am back. I did use a few more shades in this palette. I used the bright pink underneath here, and then I highlighted my brow bone, which I don't know if you can see it on here. I don't know if I turn my light up, if you can, but it might wash me out even more, who knows. But I applied the sparkly shade right here to highlight my brow bone and my inner corner, and I used Laura Geller's highlighter on my cheeks, which I don't know if you can see that either, to highlight my cheeks here, my cupid's bow, my nose. So that is the look I got with my BoxyCharm this month. So to review again, these are the items that I got. There are 6 variations of the BoxyCharm box this month. So I have the Element of Surprise palette, the Dr. Brandt vacuum cleaner, the MAC Lip Tensity lipstick in Dionysus, I don't know, that's what I'm wearing, and the 2 brushes that I used today to apply it, and the brow gel that I'm not gonna use. Hey. And that's it for this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If not, I'm sorry. I'm trying. Let me know if you like this video in the comments below. I will leave my link to my BoxyCharm if you're interested in joining. It's $21 a month, and you get 5 full-size products from different brands a month. So as I showed you, that MAC lipstick is the amount of the box this month. So yeah, I'll leave my link in the description for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you found it helpful for people who are struggling to apply their makeup or would like to learn more. So yeah, I will see you in the next one. See you guys.